So there we go, guys. So let's really, so this is the chart that you see right there, the chart that I have right there, guys. It shows the price movement of the XRP in US dollars over a multi-year period, along with those indices or indicators such as the MACD and also volume there. So let's just take a little dive into our trend lines. Look at this now. I usually do it over here. I try to break down everything. So what are our trend lines saying? Where are our trend lines? What are they saying? So you can see we have a downward sloping trend line, which is the black one. That is the downward sloping trend line. You can see it's already drawn. It's indicating a long-term downtrend that XRP has been in since its peak. Okay, so that is just there. There is also a support trend line, another black one as well, that seems to have been respected, and this one is marking a potential ascension triangle pattern, okay, which is generally signs of bullish behavior. Okay, so we have a bit of bullish behavior going on there. Okay, so now let's establish our resistance and our support. Okay, so you can also see that this chart, guys, it is definitely highlighting a significant resistance area around that 90 cents to $1 range, and we have it marked in the chart as B. This level, guys, you can see that it has acted as a strong resistance point in the past and could be a key level to watch for a breakout in the future, the rest of this year. Okay, so please be able to be watching that one. Okay, the support over here, guys, on the chart, the support appears to be holding around that 0.30 $0.30 or that 30 cents level, which could indicate a stronger buying desire and interest at that current level. So those are your resistance and support breakdown. So your MACD, what is your MACD saying for this crypto right here? The MACD histogram, you can see here that it shows periods of bullish and bearish momentum, with the MACD line recently crossing above the signal line. So the MACD line recently crossed above that signal line, and this is suggesting potential bullish momentum. Okay, and also I like to always talk about the volume. There's noticeable volume here. There's noticeable volume during significant price movement. So you can see, you can determine that there is noticeable movement of volume as price movements also log one, which can indicate the strength of these price movements. Okay, so the volume movement is proportion to the price movements. Okay, so let's break down some key things for you here, guys. If you're following, make sure that you follow. Okay, make sure that you say. So some key observations. What are some key observations that we can take away, some key takeaways from this chart, this current information that you see right there? So what the current price action, okay, is the current price action. So you can see that here, guys, the price seems to be consolidating and potentially gearing up for a breakout above the descending trend line. This, guys, could lead to a test of the resistance around 90 cents to $1 level. So these are some of the key takeaways in terms of the action of where the price is going. We also have like so if it's a bullish scenario, what are we expecting in this regard? As a bullish scenario, a breakout above the descending trend line, especially with strong volume, could signify a trend reversal and a potential rally towards the $1 level. Okay, and what would be our bearish scenario? So our bearish scenario is kind of like failure to break above the descending trend line and a subsequent drop below the ascending support trend line, this, guys, could indicate continued bearish pressure, and we do not want to have that. Okay, we don't want to have that. So what could be some of the strategies that you could consider here, guys? Definitely your strategy considerations could be this one. Okay, so bullish, if you're looking to enter a long position, watching for a confirmed breakout above the descending trend line with significant volume as well could be a good entry point for you. And also, guys, setting up your stop loss below the recent support level can manage risk for you. Okay, for a bearish position, this is what you're going to have to do: watching for rejection at the trend line and a break below the support trend line there. With increased volume might be an opportunity to short. Okay, so that's just it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. There's nothing to worry about. Okay.